online classes. Students, our 4th standard subject math and chapter subtraction. In previous some lectures, we learn about 3-digit subtraction with borrowing and without borrowing. Also in previous lecture, we learn subtraction without borrowing. But in this lecture, we have to learn about subtraction by borrowing. Subtraction by borrowing. So, see here example. 9072 minus 7548. For solving this example, write down example vertically. See here, like this. Make a columns and then arrange given example vertically. Then give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. At units place here 2 and 8. Thousands place 7 and 4. Hundreds place 0 and 5. And thousands place 9 and 7. We have to subtract these numbers, below's numbers, from upper side these numbers. So, first solve units place. See here students, 2 units minus 8 units. But here 2 is smaller than 8. Therefore, is it possible subtract 8 from 2? No, because 2 units are smaller than 8 units. Therefore, see here we have 7 tens and here we have to need of borrow. So, untie this 1 tens from this 7 tens. Means here remain 6 tens because we taken 1 tens for this units place. Students, here 1 tens means how many units? 10 units. And here's 2 units. 10 units plus 2 units means here we got 12 units. Now see here, 12 units minus 8 units. How much? 4 units. Write down here 4. Then next place, tens place. Now see here, 6 tens minus 4 tens. Here 6 tens are greater than 4 tens. Therefore here subtraction is possible. So 6 tens minus 4 tens. How much? 2 tens. Write down here 2. Then solve next place, means neighbor place of tens place. Means which place? Hundreds place. See here 0 hundreds minus 5 hundreds. How much? Correct. Here not possible this subtraction because 0 hundreds is very smaller than 5 hundreds. Therefore, we have to need of become borrow. Now see neighbor place. Here 9,000s are available. So untie 1,000 from this 9,000. Therefore, here 8,000s are remaining. Students, we take 1,000 from this place for this hundreds place. And 1,000 means how many hundreds? 10. And here's 0 hundreds. Means here we got 10 hundreds. Now solve this step. Hundreds place. 10 hundreds minus 5 hundreds. How much? 10 minus 5. Correct. 5 hundreds. Write down here 5. Means at hundreds place. Now next place. Neighbor place of hundreds place. Means which place? Thousands place. Here 8,000s minus 7,000s. Here 8,000 is bigger than 7,000. Therefore here possible is subtraction. So 8 minus 7. How much? 1. So 8,000s minus 7,000s is equal to 1,000. And our answer is 1,520 equal to how much? 1524. 1524. Do you understand, students, this example? Now students, next example. Example number 2. 3014 minus 2303. This example is also example of subtraction by borrowing. So see here, write down given example vertically using this column. Means first make columns, then arrange given example vertically. After that, do places, units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then solve one by one place. So here 4 units minus 3 units. You know 4 units are bigger than 3 units. Therefore here subtraction is possible. 4 minus 3, how much? 1. Therefore here answer is 1 units. Then next place, neighbor place of units place. Which place? Tens place. Here 1 tens minus 0 tens. Observe here 1 is greater than 0. Therefore subtraction is easily possible. 1 tens minus 0 tens. How much? 1. Therefore write down here at tens place 1. Then next place, neighbor place of this tens place means hundreds place. 0 hundreds minus 3 hundreds. Students, here subtraction is possible? No, because 0 hundreds is smaller than 3 hundreds. Here we have to need of taking borrow. See neighbor place 3000. Here already we have 3000. Therefore untie 1000 from this 3000. Therefore here remain 2. And here at hundreds place only 0. But we taken here 1000. 1000 means how much? 10 hundreds. Therefore here we got 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds minus 3 hundreds. How much? 7 hundreds. Therefore write down 7 here at hundreds place. Then next place, neighbor place of this hundreds place means thousands place. 2000s minus 2000s. 0 thousands. Write down 0 at thousands place. Therefore our answer is 711. Here at last write down answer 3014 minus 2303 is equal to 711. Do you understand, students? Today's subtopic subtraction by borrowing. So students, in this lecture we learn these 2 examples subtraction by borrowing. So in next lecture we learn about next subtopic or subtractions. Next subtopic subtraction of 5-digit number without borrowing. So in next lecture we learn subtraction of 5-digit numbers without borrowing.